Every time you say, no, I can't do it, not possible, I have never done, doctors told me do not do this is not gonna work, it never worked. Like, guys, you always, by saying that, you're limiting yourself. You're limiting. Mindset, what do you believe in life is the most important in anything. Do you believe you can make $1 million? If you don't believe it, don't start working on that. If you don't believe that you can heal your health, no matter what you have, what kind of chronic issues you have, you can heal it. If you don't believe that you can heal it, don't start anything. If you don't believe that you can, if you lady or a guy, if you don't believe that you can find the love of your life who will cherish you, adores you, and will do anything for you, and you will have this love bubble. If you don't believe in that beautiful, amazing, unconditional love exists, if you don't believe in that, don't look for second half in your life. Don't look for a partner. Everything starts with the believing. I just had a call with a client. She has rosacea, and I was, coaching her what worked for me. I'm not like a doctor or anything like that, but I cured multiple health issues. I made my business where I made $1 million. I'm in beautiful, loving, flourishing relationship. I have everything right now in my life: health, money, man, dog, house, car, like fulfilled inside. Like, I have everything right now what I ever dreamed, way more. But everything started with one thing: believe that you can have it. Believe that you can feel this way. Believe that you can be healthy. If you don't believe it, I'm getting chills. Look at this. If you don't believe it in your heart, in your soul, in every cell of your body, if you don't believe it, whatever you want, you're not gonna get it. You're never gonna get it if every cell, every hair, every eyelash, eyebrow, every pimple, black pores, every cell, if you don't believe it, that you can feel this way, whichever way you want to feel, if you don't believe that you're going to have certain amount of money for whatever reason you want, if you don't believe that you have this loving, beautiful, flourishing, amazing relationship with your partner, friends, employees, co-workers, whatever, if you don't believe it, my dog is staring at me right now. Mama, pick me up. If you don't believe it, you will not have it, right? Tell them, believe it. Believe you can.